Welcome to SQ Tech Lab YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to create track motion effects for your content. Open Adobe After Effects. Add video file. Resize it. Perfect. Now go to the tracker panel and click on track motion. Set the tracking point area. Only position tracking is required in this video. Perfect. Motion source must be the tracking video footage. Click the Analyze for Word button for analyzing the track. Wait until tracking is completed. Okay. Now create a null object. Click on the Edit Target. Select the null object here. Next, click on the Apply button to apply tracking. Select X and Y. Perfect. Tracking creates multiple keyframes to the targeted layer. Next, add a text layer. Now type anything here. Resize it. Wait a second. We should select the text layer parent as null object. Next, create a shape layer. Select the null object as parent of the shape. Well, let's play this. Perfect. This way you can create track motion for your content. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video and take care.